If Facebook is blocking your affiliate links, stop sharing those links on Facebook right now. But don't worry, I'm going to show you in this video how you can set up your very own landing page on your own custom domain name in just a few minutes. It's not going to take you long at all, and then you're going to be able to share any affiliate link you want on Facebook, whether it's your Groovefunnels affiliate link, an affiliate link from ClickBank or JVZoo, or any link at all that you want to share. And Facebook might be blocking it. It might be telling you that you're violating their terms of service. Whatever it is, I'm going to show you how to get around that right now by setting up an extremely simple landing page using Groovefunnels. And before we do that, I just want to let you guys know my name is James Jernigan. I'm with Baltimore City SEO.com. I'm also known as Free State Flipper here on YouTube. And before we get into setting up your own landing page, which is only going to take a couple minutes, I just want to share with you guys something about posting on Facebook. So especially when you're promoting affiliate offers or really posting on Facebook at all, one thing you need to understand is that the goal of Facebook as a company is to sell ads. So the way they're going to sell ads is by keeping people on the platform as long as possible. And once you understand that, you start to understand a little bit better about the algorithms that control the posts. And so what I'm getting at is that since Facebook wants to keep people on their platform, they kind of frown on sharing links, because what a link is literally making it so that with one click somebody can leave Facebook and go to another website. So obviously Facebook is not going to prioritize posts with links if their main goal is to sell ads. So what can you do about that? Here's a quick tip. I just want to show you guys this example of a post I made last night to promote my Groovefunnels affiliate offer. And all it says is, who is ready to quit paying monthly subscription fees just to keep your website up and running? And it says, message me for free access to a new funnel builder, better than Wix, Shopify, and ClickFunnels. And a tip here is I put message me in the image because although algorithms can pick up on text and images, the Facebook algorithm is much less likely to pick up that I'm promoting something by having that in the image, as opposed to if I had message me up here in the text. So that's a quick tip. Another thing is, you can see I shared this as a 3D image, so it moves around, and that combined with the bright colors and my funny face there really gets people to stop scrolling. And then when they see my message is specifically designed to generate curiosity. I don't want to give away. If you notice, I didn't put anything about Groovefunnels or what the offer is here. In the post, I just simply put the pain points and the problems that I wanted to solve for people so that they would reach out to me. And you can see I woke up to 7 reactions and 6 comments on this post from 15 hours ago. And I made pretty much this exact same post worded a bit differently in 20 or 30 groups. So just overnight, you can see the kind of reaction that you get from making posts that are Facebook friendly and that Facebook is going to want to promote naturally for you. So now let's get into setting up a landing page, because that's what you're here for. You want to be able to share those affiliate links, whether you share it in a post or whether you do what I did here and ask someone to message you and then send it to them. Setting up your own landing page on your own custom URL is going to let you avoid those spam traps and from getting those violating terms of service notifications. So let's jump over here to my Groovefunnels account. This is the software I'm going to be using to create a free landing page. If you're not familiar with Groovefunnels or you don't have a website building software, you can use Groovefunnels completely free and build 3 free websites, and you can check that out at grooveforlife.com and get all the information you need there about exactly what you get with the free account and the different upgrades that are available. But anyways, here inside my Groovefunnels account, I'm going to click on Groovepages to create a new page. So this is where you come to create a new site. You're just going to click New Site and then click on this Templates button here. And there's tons of templates in here for you to choose from. There's a limited number of templates that come with the free account. If you are a platinum member, then you have access to all of these. There's I don't know how many, dozens and dozens of them for pretty much every kind of business you can imagine. But anyways, we'll get to these templates in just a second. But the first thing you're going to want to do is come over to, I like to use Namecheap, but you can use anywhere to buy a domain name. But I'll just use Namecheap for this example because I like them and they're the easiest. I'm not affiliated with them. But anyways, so you just come over here to Namecheap and then you just search for the domain you want. So, you know, newfunnelbuilder.com you might pick, and then you just search for that and it'll tell you if it's available. And newfunnelbuilder.com is available. So any of you guys that are watching this and are looking for a unique domain name for promoting your Groovefunnels link, here you go, newfunnelbuilder.com. So I've already bought a domain for this and it's cancelfees.com because that's what Groovefunnels has done for me, allowed me to cancel my other subscriptions to website builders and business software. I don't have to pay for email automation anymore. I don't have to pay hosting fees. You know, there's all these different tools and widgets and stuff that are all included in this package that I no longer have to pay for. So that's why I chose cancelfees.com. That's the domain we'll be using for this tutorial. So once you've got your domain, you're just going to go through the purchase process here. You know, you click add to cart and then you check out. I didn't want to do it in the video so that you guys don't get to see my payment information. But, you know, once you click purchase, then you're going to click a button that says manage and it will bring you to this screen, which is where we'll be setting up the domain shortly. So setting up the web page, it's as simple as choosing a template, and I'm actually going to go with this upsell one. And while I'm not selling anything, I just like the simplicity of this template, and for the demonstration I think it's going to work nicely. So click that and give it a second to load, and boom, there is your template of your landing page. So I will just go ahead and start changing this text right off the bat. It's as simple as clicking on it, and I might even leave wait in there in the text. Wait, you are just a few short clicks away from never paying fees again. And I want to get a little more specific. So from never paying fees to run your online business. So there you go. 90% complete, you know, and then you can click on this and configure, and you can change this to, you know, whatever you want it to say. Canceling subscription fees. There we go, and change that. Maybe put a couple dots on there, you know. And then here I want to show you guys, this is another cool thing you can do inside of Groovefunnels. So let's just go ahead and delete this since I'm not selling a book, and here is an empty container. So we'll click on elements over here, and one thing they have under elements is these different devices here. So we're promoting Groovefunnels, we could just put a little laptop in there, right? So then what you could do with this, and this is all just drag and drop, so you want to make it bigger there, boom, you made it bigger. You want to move it around, well, I don't have the right box clicked on, but you guys get the idea. So then we can come over here to configure and choose image, and I'm going to go ahead and upload an image. I just grabbed a screenshot of the Groovefunnels landing page, and that's the affiliate offer we're promoting with this link. So I'm going to click upload and select it here, and I like the dark theme, so we'll click on dark and then update, and check this out. Looks like I need to play with the size a little bit, but there you go. It's going to let you I don't know what I did to change the size. There we go. So there you go. That's a, you know, picture of a landing page, so they know what they're getting into. And you just change this, try the new funnel builder that has helped hundreds of thousands of people cancel their subscriptions to online business software. And so obviously that is way too big, so we'll just play with the size of that. And for the sake of simplicity, I will just delete that. And this is a link here they have in here. You can configure this, but rather than a link, I want my page to pop. So I'm going to come over here to Elements, and here we're going to grab a solid button, and we'll put that button in there. And we'll configure the button real quick. So just for the sake of simplicity, I'll put get Groovefunnels free. And then link to, this is where we're going to put our affiliate link. So to grab the affiliate link, I'm just going to right click on this G and open in a new tab. And then you're going to come over here. You can click on Groove Partner Program. And then this button right here where it says links. And here you can select which link you want to share and just copy it to your clipboard. So I've copied that. You can just go ahead and close these windows once you have it. And here under Configure, where we're setting the button, link to URL, boom. Your affiliate link is in there, and click update, and that should change the text to what I set it to. So now you'll just want to play with the design to make it match your page. So I don't know, maybe we'll go with pink for the button, and the text you can change the font or whatever you want to do. Change the size, we'll just make it big. And by the way, you know, more people are using the internet using mobile devices than ever, which is why Groovefunnels has all these tabs up here for you to see how your site is going to look on each device. So here's how it's going to look on mobile. That text is too big, so we're going to want to scale that down a little bit. And we'll just come over here to size and just scale it to the size we want. And that's going to change the size on all of them. But if you want to change it on just mobile, you can double click here, and if you see how these all went white, that's gonna let me adjust the size on just the mobile version. So then when I click on desktop, now I'm adjusting it on just the desktop, and it's gonna stay as it is. So then just to get back to editing them all at once, you just want to double click on each one again until they are all pink, and then you're editing each one. So I hope this tip helps you. We're almost done. So I do want to do one quick thing here and come to border and make the corners on this button rounded. I think it looks a little nicer. So there you go. And one little quick adjustment on the spacing. And you know what, guys, I'm not making this perfect. Obviously you're going to want to spend a little more time, but I'm just trying to keep this video quick so that you can get your websites up and running and promoting your affiliate links. So then down here, you know, you can change this to made by James Jernigan, whatever, you know, put your text in there. So how are you going to make this site live? Let's delete this because that's just a logo. I guess there we go, got that out of there. It's very simple, but you guys get the idea. So how are you going to make this page live? Well, the first thing I'd recommend doing is coming in here to editing settings and naming your page. So I'll name this cancel fees. Same with the page title, cancel fees, and I'm going to come in and optimize all this for SEO, guys. There's a ton of stuff you want to do to get the most out of optimizing for Google so that people actually find your page, but that you can find in another video, or you can just check me out at baltimorecitySEO.com for your SEO needs. But you'll put your keywords in here, you'll put your description, cancel fees now. Obviously it'll be longer than that, but let's just get to making this puppy live. So down here, your open graph image, that is going to be the image that people see when they share your website. So just take note of that. This is my Baltimore City SEO logo, so I'll just put that there for the sake of the example. And then we will come over here, and there's a button for site settings. I know this all seems technical, but if you guys follow me step by step, you're going to be up and running in no time. And while I could have made this video a little faster by leaving this out, it's important that you guys take note of these details and do it right the first time. It's going to save you a lot of headaches. So here is where you're going to be naming your website. Cancel fees.com for now. I'm going to change that. Obviously, the favicon, that is the little tiny image that is like up in the tab. I'm not going to bother setting that right now. You should when you set yours up, but I just want to keep this rolling. We will set this open graph image to my logo once again, and here we will put cancel all your website fees now as the description of the site. So check, that's good to go. So now what you're going to want to do, always click save, because you don't want anything to happen. You accidentally close your browser or whatever, lose what you're working on. So click save. Then you're going to come here to this button that says publish. So you might have already set up a landing page and clicked this button right here and hosted your site with Groovefunnels. But that's not what you want to do if you don't want your link being blocked and you want to share your affiliate link, whatever you want to do. So here you're going to click publish on your own domain. And here is where you're going to input your domain. So you're going to come over to Namecheap and double check that it's the correct domain. So I will just cancel this, or copy this, excuse me, cancelfees.com. Come over here to Groovefunnels and I will paste that into this. So if you note here, to publish a custom domain, you must create a CNAME, ANAME, or alias record with your domain registrar pointed to host10.groovepages.com. So you've clicked publish your domain, you've pasted it in here, you're sure it's right. Before you click this publish button, copy this to your clipboard, host10.groovepages.com. So you've copied this. Now you want to click publish. And we'll come back to this page in a minute. But what you're going to want to do now is you're going to need to, this is where people get confused because they have their domain purchased at Namecheap and they have their Groovefunnels site. But how do you connect the two? How do you make it live? That's what I'm going to show you in this step. It's super simple. You're going to come to this website, cloudflare.com, and you're going to need to create an account there. It's free, so just sign up for an account with your email. And once you get all signed in and everything, you're just going to click add a site. And here is where you're going to type your site in. So since I already have that other thing copied to the clipboard, we will just type it in, and it is cancelfees.com. So then click add site. And it's going to pop up and ask you what plan you need. And for this, all you need is the free plan. So click on free. And like I said, your Groovefunnels account is free too. So you can set all of this up for free. The only thing you will need to pay for to promote any affiliate link you want on Facebook is this $8.88 a year to Namecheap. So there you go. For under $9, guys, you can have your own custom domain. So here is where you come to on Cloudflare next once you've created your free site record on there. And now this is where people get confused. The very first thing you're going to want to do is come and delete these two records at the top, the A name and the C name. Delete those. This messes a lot of people up, so just get them out of there right away. Now you're going to click this add record button and you're going to switch this to CNAME, because if you remember here on the Groovefunnels pages it says you must create a CNAME, it says or ANAME or alias record, but we're just going to use CNAME pointed to this. So you've copied this and you're inside here in Cloudflare. So here is where you put @ as it recommends. It tells you to just put @ in there, and then target is where you're going to paste your host10.groovepages.com, and then you're just going to hit save. And there you go. It will come up in there. So once you've done that, then you hit continue. Now, change your name servers. This is where you're going to come back over to your Namecheap account. Here it just tells you straight up, log into your Namecheap account, remove these name servers. So you're going to have to delete these two and replace them with these two. So just come down here, copy this first one. You do that before you even leave the page. Come over to Namecheap, and when you're in under manage, here you can see I have cancelfees.com. So you're going to click on advanced. Well, there's a couple ways to do it, but we'll click on advanced DNS. Actually, let's keep it simple. I don't want to confuse anybody. Here under domain, the easiest way to do this is to come here and click on custom DNS, and just there you go, paste the first one in there. Then you're going to come back and grab this second one and paste it where it says name server number 2 and click check. And that should be all you have to do to get your own custom domain up and running live. As you can see, sometimes it takes just a second to come through. Yeah, there we go. See, it tells you it might take up to 48 hours to take effect, and while I guess that is technically true, most of my sites become live right away. So back here, what you can do is you come back to Cloudflare, and you've copied and pasted these. Then you can just click done, check name servers, and here you go. Your security encryption mode is full. And what I like to do is click this, always use HTTPS, and that's going to redirect anybody trying to visit the non-secure version of your page to the secure version of your page. And then you click done. That should be all you have to do. So we'll check it out and open a new incognito window and try cancelfees.com. And okay, so as you can see, it's not instant. It will take a little while to for the name servers to update, but that's all you have to do. And then you wait. It's usually just less than an hour for me, but as it said, could take up to 48 hours. And then your custom page will be live. And so if I click this eyeball here, it'll show me exactly what it's going to look like. And here you go. Here's a landing page. Canceling subscription fees. It has all the text I put in there, and then here when I click this button, maybe we didn't activate that right. Let's double check that in here. So we'll go to configure and update. Oh, you know what, because we're in the preview, that's one thing. When you use this preview button in Groovefunnels, this eyeball here, it's only letting you preview the visual elements of that page. It's not letting you click on anything. So I'll give it one more shot in the incognito window here and see if this is populated. There you go. Cancelfees.com is live in the video. I don't know how long. Let me check how long we've been recording. It doesn't tell me on this screen. Oh, 23 minutes. There you go. In less than 23 minutes, we have created our very own custom website, cancelfees.com, and that button is linking me right to my Groovefunnels affiliate link. And there you go. It's as simple as that. So that's how you're going to promote your Groovefunnels affiliate link on Facebook. And now if we come over here to facebook.com and I type this in, let's just put the HTTPS to make sure it's a link, and cancelfees.com. Whoops. Okay, well, something crazy is going on with Facebook right now. Okay. So if we come over here and we put cancelfees.com, cancelfees.com, and let me put the HTTPS so it knows it's a link. There you go. It populates my logo there, and as you can see, cancelfees.com, cancel all your website fees now. And I can go ahead and post that, and there you go. It shows up. It is not blocked or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that post because I obviously have some editing to do on this site still. But there you go. I hope this helped show you guys how you can promote absolutely any link you want on Facebook in less than a half an hour. You can set up a brand new landing page. You can do all of this for free at grooveforlife.com. So yeah, I hope this helped. And if you guys want to learn more about web design, about SEO, about using Groovefunnels, or just getting found on the internet in general, making money online, anything like that, just hit that bright red subscribe button down there, and then you'll stay up to date on all my content. And yeah, that's it. Go ahead and smash that like button if you like this video, and that's going to help tell the algorithm to show it to more people so that more people can, you know, start having an easier time doing all this online business stuff. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I will catch you on the next video.